Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G06 Power, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint correctly. In such case, let's set up a new fingerprint for your device. First of all, you have to open settings by swiping down the control center and tapping right here. Then scroll down to security and privacy section, open it. Now go to device unlock, not here but device unlock, and then select fingerprint. If you have any previously added fingerprints on your smartphone, delete them like this. And now before adding a new fingerprint, first remove the protective case from your phone in case you have one, because it might interfere with the scanner when we'll be adding it. And also use a microfiber cloth or just a dry towel to carefully clean your fingerprint scanner. Once there is no debris, no spots on it, let's proceed by adding a new fingerprint. So go to fingerprint, tap setup, and now find the sensor with your finger, and now firmly press this button without actually pressing it. Use different parts of your finger for the best experience. Okay, and if you want to add another fingerprint right now, tap right here, otherwise click done. Now let's go back to settings once everything is done, and now in settings you have to scroll down to system updates, select this option, then check if you're using the latest software, if also check for updates right here. In my case, I can see that I was disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Let me just reconnect to it real quick. Okay, now let's check for updates, and as you can see, everything looks good. If you have any updates to install, then take your time and do it, because this way you will ensure that your firmware is in touch with your software and everything works well. Now, once you're done, before we test our fingerprint scanner, first press the power button and volume up keys together, and then select restart. Wait until your device is restarted so that we can be sure that all the changes applied. Okay, and now that the phone is restarted, first you have to enter your screen lock, password or pattern or whatever. This is a security measure. And now we can use our fingerprint scanner, so now let's test it. Let's try to unlock the phone using the fingerprint. Okay, it went well for the first time. Let's try a couple more times. Maybe let's use different finger positions. And as you can see, everything works well, and I hope that it does for you too. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.